The general steps in the production of plywood are as follows. Step 1. Raw material selection and preparation. E-1/4 Raw materials suitable for plywood production are selected, including various woods and other fibrous materials such as bamboo and reeds. These raw materials need to be peeled, debranched and planed to achieve the required dimensions and surface flatness. Step 2. Raw material drying. The raw material is sent to the dryer for drying treatment to control its moisture content. Usually the moisture content needs to be reduced to less than 10% to ensure that the plywood made has good quality. Step 3. Glue preparation. Various glue raw materials are mixed in a certain proportion and heated and stirred to form a glue. Commonly used raw materials for glue are urea, formaldehyde, phenolic, epoxy resin, etc. Step 4. Board making. The treated and dried raw materials are placed on the board making machine, then evenly coated with glue on the surface, and then stacked into a certain thickness and number of layers to form unformed plywood. Step 5. Hot pressing. The unformed plywood is sent to a hot press for hot pressing, which heats and applies a certain pressure to make the glue solidify under the hot press, and at the same time, the layers of raw materials are closely bonded together. Step 6. Finishing. Hot pressed sheets are processed by deburring, cutting and grinding to make the surface smooth and the specification size meet the requirements. Step 7. Testing and packaging. Quality testing of the plywood made, such as testing the thickness of the board, the flatness of the board surface, strength and other indicators, and packaging and selling if they meet the requirements. It is important to note that the exact steps in producing plywood may vary depending on the manufacturer, raw materials and production process.